Hi, this is Nick, Wolfman Repairs, and today we're working on a fuse box. Alright. This particular fuse box is from a 1987 Bayliner Capri, which is a boat. I didn't know they still used glass fuses in the 80s, but here we are, glass fuses. And the problem is, this is where our power comes in, this is where our ground comes in, and we're getting no power at any of our accessories. So if we take our handy dandy multimeter here, this is where power comes in, so we should have continuity here. And we do. Here. 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 And here. We should also have continuity through the fuse. And here where the wire attaches to it. And here. And here. And here, so you have a continuity there, not there. We should have it through the fuse. And our fuse is good on all of these. But we're having a continuity issue. So this is very corroded. I don't know if you can see that. It should be this nice copper color all around, but it's not. So we're going to fix that. We're going to try a couple different things. We're going to try a brush. Maybe we'll even give Brasso a go here. Alright, so first thing we need to do is pop our fuses out without breaking them. Put our safety glasses on and go to town with the wire brush. Kind of not working the way I wanted it to. I wanted it to get in here. Thankfully I got an assortment of wire brushes. Ow. This wire brush is from a 22 caliber kit. Seems to get in there pretty well. It's not doing what I really want it to do though. Let's try this Brasso. It's looking a lot better already. Alright, let's let that sit for a minute and come back, wipe it off, and see what we got. Alright, it's been a few minutes. Let's try to wipe it off. A little IPA. I need to get a brush. I can't get on in there. Alright, let's give it a try. Grab a fuse. Now we should probably clean the fuses off too, because these were also a little corroded. Pop it on in there. Now we should have continuity from this post to this post. We do, but there we go. It needs a little more cleaning. But you get the idea. So if you have a fuse panel like this, you know what to do. I'm going to go ahead and clean all these up, and I'll come back. Kind of looks like mayo. Alright, I'm just going to give it a little scrub with the old toothbrush here. And a brush too. Alright, now you're probably saying to yourself, how do you get all this Brasso off? I don't know. I think I'm going to go use the hose. Alright, now I gotta make sure we dry this off. Spray it down with a little IPA, help it dry out. Now that looks a million times better than when we started. Alright, let's throw the fuses back in and see what we got. This fuse holder was a little wide. So. There we go. All right. And that should work now. Sweet. Alright, we got the fuse box reinstalled into the boat now. All the wires hooked up where they go. And now everything should work. Let's go try it out. Yeah. Alright. Drive unit up. Yep, down, yep, up, down, cool. Horn. Bilge pump. I hear it. Navigational light. Well, that's at the front. Let's see if we can go see it. Yep. It's supposed to go through the floor. Is it on? Oh yeah, it's on. The treacherous walk back. Uh-oh. And the other light, well, that one doesn't have a bulb in it, but the horn works. Sweet. There you have it. Redoing a fuse box in a 1987 Bayliner. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it very much, and we'll see you next time.